Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update embeddings pipelines with Vertex AI text embeddings, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Vertex AI section in the left-hand sidebar. Select the embeddings option from the Vertex AI menu. Click on the Create button to start a new embeddings pipeline. Choose the appropriate model for your text embeddings. Enter a name for your new embeddings pipeline. In the Configuration section, specify the input data source. You can select from various options, including BigQuery or cloud storage. Define the output destination for your embeddings. This could be a new BigQuery table, a cloud storage bucket, or another supported option. Next, set the transformation parameters for your text data. This might involve pre-processing steps like tokenization or normalization. Review the sample data to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Once satisfied, click the Next button to continue. In the next window, review your pipeline settings. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. After confirmation, click Create to launch your embeddings pipeline. Monitor the progress of the pipeline in the Vertex AI dashboard. Once the pipeline completes, check the output destination for your embeddings. Validate the embeddings by sampling a few entries. Use the embeddings in your downstream applications as needed. Make sure to keep track of version updates for your embeddings model. Consider scheduling regular updates to keep your embeddings current. For advanced configurations, explore the API options provided by Vertex AI. Refer to the official documentation for any specific use cases or troubleshooting. This completes your guide on updating embeddings pipelines with Vertex AI text embeddings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.